Hello everyone, welcome to watch our video. This is a presentation of a communication project done by my team together. In this video, you're going to watch our study outcome on African elephants and ways of preserving this important species.
African elephants are the largest land animals known so far, and they feed on herbivores. The current IUCN lists them as endangered. This means that they are at risk of becoming extinct. The population of this species is decreasing rapidly. We human beings need to take action immediately to respond to this panic.
Thank you for bringing up such comprehensive background, Chucheng. Let's firstly take a look at the data we gathered. 86% of African forest elephants have disappeared forever over the past 31 years, and 60% savanna elephants have disappeared over the past 50 years. There are only around 51,500 wild elephants living in Africa now.
Well, after talking so much about the dilemma that African elephants have confronted, you may want to ask, why are African elephants so important? Why do people make such an effort in preserving this species? Please continue with me and you will see the reason why.
African elephants are one critical ring ecosystem. Maybe you never noticed, but African elephants help smaller animals while they migrate. For example, African elephants flatten the high grass so that smaller animals are able to thrive. When the drought happens, they dig water holes for other animals to acquire water resources. Furthermore, African elephants help disperse seeds of plants along the way they pass by. African elephants are also attractive species for tourists. Tourism makes millions of dollars for local citizens, which can be a major income for them. Okay, now you have learned why people spend money and resources in saving this endangered species. The most important issue is still not resolved yet, and I believe that must be your biggest question. How can we save African elephants before they go extinct? After getting to know the data of African elephants, we need to know why the population of African elephants is declining so fast. There are two main reasons behind this tragedy. One is people's demand for ivory, and the other one is land abuse. African elephants have been poached for a very long time. Between 1979 and 1989, the worldwide demand for ivory caused elephant populations to decline to a dangerously low level. Despite a ban on the international trade of ivory, African elephants are still being poached in large numbers. The ban on international trade was introduced in 1989 by CITES after years of unprecedented poaching. In the 1980s, an estimated 100,000 elephants were being killed per year, and up to 80% of herds were lost in some regions. The ban allows some populations to recover, especially where elephants were adequately protected. Many conservation groups fear that this slight loosening of the ivory ban will rekindle poaching throughout the elephant's range. The poachers of elephants, in most cases, are aware that they are committing crimes, but due to their finance dilemma, they have to choose to ivory trade. Maybe to solve this problem, people should try to solve the poverty in Africa first. Sometimes human beings' intervention are not so effective. Elephants may trample the fences that humans build. Scientists have found that bees communities can help with the growth of African elephants' populations. Human beings must engage in the preservation activities. Due to the geological and anthropological information we have, we can make wiser land use plan. We must take wild animals like African elephants into considerations. I believe you must have learned something about African elephants after watching this video. You get to know its endangered situation and its cause, why we should preserve African elephants, and how to preserve them. Care for nature and it will make a difference too. Thank you for watching this video.